In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wayback Machine to explore archived versions of websites. Whether you're nostalgic for a long-lost web page or conducting research that needs historical context, the Wayback Machine is a powerful tool. Let's dive in and see how it works step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to https://archive.org/web. This is the home of the Wayback Machine, a service provided by the Internet Archive. It allows you to browse historical snapshots of websites, capturing how they looked and what content was available at various points in history. Once you've reached the site, you're ready to start your journey through time. Next, you'll enter the web address of the site you're interested in. Let's say you want to see what YouTube looked like a few years ago. Simply type youtube.com into the search bar on the Wayback Machine homepage, and then press Enter. This simple action will unlock a wealth of archived data for you to explore. Once you've entered the website address, you'll be presented with a timeline at the top of the screen. This timeline lets you narrow down your search by year. Simply click on the year you want to explore. For instance, if you're curious about how a site looked in 2010, select that year on the timeline. This step sets the stage for a more detailed dive into the specific time frame you're interested in. After selecting your year, you'll see a calendar filled with highlights on certain dates. These highlights represent the days when the website was saved by the Wayback Machine. If you hover over one of these highlighted dates, you'll find snapshots taken at various times during that day. Click on a specific time snapshot to see exactly how the site appeared at that moment. It's like hopping back in time to that precise date. Once you've clicked on a snapshot, the page will load exactly as it appeared on that historical date. You'll notice that, if the links on that site were also archived, you can click around just as if you were visiting the site live. This feature is perfect if you want to see how different sections of the website looked, or if you need to access specific content that might have changed or disappeared over time. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use the Wayback Machine to explore the past of any website. This tool can be invaluable for a range of purposes, from research to reminiscing about the early days of the Internet. Keep in mind that not every single page or feature may have been archived, but often enough, you'll find just what you need. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and I hope you find many exciting snapshots to explore.